To create a file for the laser engraver, we will be using a program called RDWorks. And today we're going to import a file. So we're going to go to File, Import, and we'll navigate to a high quality picture that we've already downloaded and hit Open. So this opens the image. And I want to engrave the M and the C and the bucking horse. It's not doing that currently. So if you need to change something in your image that you imported, go over to Bitmap Handle, and we can use this to change the settings to get the image how it should be. So I'm going to invert the color, and if I apply the view, then I can see how that will look. And I can also work in grayscale or black and white or as a dot graphic to further get my image to where I want it to be. Once I'm happy with that, I'll apply it to source, hit OK, and then my image is as it should be. Now if I select this image and take a look over here, I can see that my image is a little bit more than 9 inches tall and wide. That's a bit bigger than I want it to be. So I'm going to grab the corner handle and scale it down until I get it to the size that I would like. A little bit under 6 inches. Now, if I go over to Configuration and System Setting, I can take a look at where my laser is going to start. Most of the time, we want our laser to start in the very center of our image, which it is here. But I could also change that to a corner if I wanted to. And wherever this pink X is in my file is where that laser is going to start. After I have my image set how I should, I will come over to my speed and power settings. The slower the speed, the deeper the engraving, and the higher the power, the deeper the engraving. Most of the time when we are engraving wood, we'll have a speed of anywhere from 8 to 16 inches per second and a power of 30% to 50%. We never want to get above 70% with our laser. This speed and power looks good to me, so now I will save my file. Coming down to the bottom right, we'll click on Save to U file, as in USB file. We'll navigate to our flash drive and come up with an appropriate name for our engraving. Then we'll hit Save, and we can take that USB file to this laser engraver